Hi there, in this video I will show you how to build a high converting product buy box section like this one right here in a matter of seconds and all with AI. This is a buy box structure that is used by many billion-dollar brands and it's built to convert. So let's jump into it. The starting point of today is this hero section right here. And the next step is to open the AI panel and then let's write build a product buy box section. That's it, no more context needed. Let's click on enter. Then the AI will think about it and then it will ask us to select a product from our Shopify store. So one of the products in my Shopify store is this Gums Super Gummies. So based upon this product, it will now create the buy box section. So let's do that. And as you can see, it is now starting to build this product buy box section. Instant AI is working on it. And there we have it. The section is now built and this first iteration is looking super nice. So on the left panel, we can see what it has done. So it includes a gallery with sliders and thumbnails on the left. When we preview, we can also see that this is all nice and functional. Then it has the variant picker for the two different variants I've set up in my Shopify store, low sugar, sugar-free, the quantity rating, the different purchase options, of course an add to cart button, and then a little FAQ underneath. And now we can be happy with this design, but we can also continue to iterate on it. And one thing I am noticing or I'm not really happy with is this buy box section right here. So what we can do is select it. You can see right here it's selected. And in the AI chat, we can also see it's selected. Now we go to the Groen's website on which this design in Instant is based upon. And then we take a screenshot of this sort of buy box subscription picker section. There we have it, the screenshot, and let's drag it into the prompt box and say, make sure the subscription options look more like attached image. That's enough context. Now let's click on go. Then first things first, Instant AI will think about it. So it has checked the current buy box structure and then it got the new structure from the image, as you can see right here. And then it will get started with editing this section, which we can also now see. And there we have it. Just a little bit later, it's done. And the buy box section now looks exactly like the image that we have attached. So let's quickly preview this. And as you can see, we have a nice active state and inactive state. And the focus is really on the subscription, which is also the goal of this buy box section. It's making sure people subscribe to the product. You can also see automatically as we scroll down on the right side that the left side is sticky, which is very nice. And now, of course, we can continue tweaking this till all the pixels are exactly the way we want. And we can do this with all the no-code options on the right side, or we can continue chatting with AI. Nevertheless, I'm happy, and what's left to do is simply clicking on publish to add this page to our Shopify store. So as you can see, the publishing is in progress, code is being optimized, and then a few seconds later, it's there and we can visit the live page within our existing Shopify theme that is optimized for speed and has clean, liquid code. And that's it for this tutorial. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you have a good understanding on how easily you can actually build converting product buy box sections with Instant AI. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more product videos.